We present the DT70KV developed for dielectric gloves and sleeves testing. The equipment is made up of a control unit, a generation unit, 3 ground cables, a power cable, a USB cable, a communication cable between the control unit and the generation unit, and a high voltage cable. The accessory for gloves or sleeves testing is also provided, whichever the case may be. For safety, it is recommended to press the emergency switches, both for the generation and control modules. This will allow us to make a safe configuration. We start by connecting the control unit with the generation unit. In this equipment, ground connections are very important. We will connect the accessory terminal that we are going to use to a known physical ground. Then, we connect the ground of the generation modules and control modules to the accessory terminal. Now, we are going to connect the high voltage cable. We have to make sure that the electrode is in contact with the ground of the accessory while the test is not being carried out. At this point, the equipment is ready to start gloves or sleeves testing.